आने वाली है।
बीजेपी लगातार, क्योंकि आपने भी मन से बात की कि बांग्लादेशी इन्फिल्ट्रेशन का मुद्दा उठा रही है बीजेपी लगातार, और क्या आपको लगता है कि चुनाव के अंत में बीजेपी ने एक ऐसा पासा फेंका है जिसकी वजह से मुश्किलें आप लोगों के लिए बढ़ गई?
देखिए, इट्स अ वेरी कॉमन सेंस क्वेश्चन कि अगर घुसपैठ हो भी रही है तो इसकी जिम्मेदारी किसकी है? झारखंड की कोई भी ऐसी सीमा अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सीमा के साथ में सटी नहीं हुई है, और अगर घुसपैठ हुई भी है तो इसकी सारी बागडोर या इसकी सारी रक्षा किसको करनी चाहिए? सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को। अब मुझे लगता है कि जब घुसपैठ हो रही है तो इसका मतलब ये आप समझ सकते हैं कि नाकामी सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की है। तो आपकी नाकामी का ठीकरा आप राज्य सरकार पे कैसे फोड़ सकते हैं जबकि हमारी कोई भी सीमा इंटरनेशनल बॉर्डर को टच ही नहीं कर रही है? तो ये इट्स अ बिग क्वेश्चन टू देमसेल्फ कि व्हाई दे आर आस्किंग दीज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, एंड इफ दे आर आस्किंग इट, so I think you are the central government is utmost responsible for these infiltration which they are creating the question to us, to the Jharkhand government.
Ma'am,
Yes.
but do you think that the BJP has successfully been able to, bring this election on the issue of Hindu-Muslim? Because before this, I have not seen an election where Hindu-Muslim has become a core agenda, the focal point of the elections in Jharkhand.
I think you can better believe it's not about, especially the Jharkhand is facing this kind of campaigning. Whenever or wherever the election is coming up, whether it should be your Lok Sabha election or your assembly election, the BJP has nothing to say about what they have done to the people. Yes, they have done, like they haven't given the jobs, they haven't given the promises which they have made 10 years before. And I think they are they are weaker and getting much weaker, and because of that they are just creating the nuisance. They are creating their I heard of one statement also, they are saying ki kya batoge to katoge. So these languages are given by not the local neta. These are statements given by the responsible persons who are holding the chairs, the respective places. And I think this is shameful. Like during the elections, they are
to Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, Yogi Adityanath.
those who are saying all these kind of statements. And you should see, like if any responsible person making any statement, I think they are creating what you can say during elections. They have nothing to say about the progressive report. They have nothing to say about their achievements, what they have done, because they have nothing. They have
Hemant
nothing.
Soren, the challenge is Himanta Biswa Sarma this time?
No, there is no challenge. There is no challenge. Better he should take care of his state, and where he is not able to give recognition to the Adivasi person who has been there since many years, I think more than the 100 years, and still they are fighting. And that person himself, he has kicked out one Adivasi Neta, and he himself take over the seat of the CM over there in their state, in Assam. I think better he should look about himself and then think about the people of the Jharkhand. And the responsibility with the people have given directly to the Hemant Soren, he will better take care of the Jharkhand.
Before I let you go, will you become the cabinet minister if elected to power?
No, it's not like that, because I am a working person, and since I'm learning, I have to learn much more, so still I'm learning.